It's all shade over there, oak trees. Hey YouTubers, Jose Fantasticville here in Adkins, Texas. We're going to the annual Father's Day car show they have. Right now it's about 99 degrees. This is also at the Cactus Land Brewing Company. Again in Adkins, Texas. They got snacks over there. Snacks and good food. Smells good. Go look at some of these old cars here. Got the side wheel here. The plate says 1971. 1971. Yeah, that's what they used to come with the. Yeah, they used to come with the wheels on the side. So this is at the Cactus Land Brewing Company again. There's a Camaro. Oh, the face on it. That one's nice. This is the older one. This is what they used to look like. This is the Ford Bronco. Yeah. But that's what.
Stick shift, look.
Yeah. Yep, stick control. And that's what Ford did. They make them look the same. Yeah. Yeah, Supernova. There's not a lot like Novas around here. And you got light tint. Look, here's an older one. Like over there in the one place. Mm-hmm. 1972. 1972.
Look at this blue one.
Yeah. Yeah, he's fixed the inside up nice.
I know they do good.
Mm-hmm. The thing doesn't say the year on there, so I'm not good on the year on this one.
Yeah.
Great choice.
The blue's a good color.
He picked a good car right there. He picked a Camaro. He said that's his favorite.
Ow! What's your favorite? We gotta get a picture.
They announced the winner later on at Ford, they said. It's another Chevy Camaro. Another Chevy.
But the Dodge.
Yeah, Dodge. Don't see too many. Let me look at the seats. We won't all fit in here. Yeah. Old Dodge. Hot rod. Mustang.
You just drive it.
Oh, this over here. Hijos. So they have grilled cheese, a solid grilled cheese. So they put like the meat in it. Salad fries. They put the meat on the fries. Beef tacos. So in there, they make beer. It's a brewing company. It's a Camaro. Nice. The seats are nice, huh? Go this way and then this way. Go to the shade. It's a Ford. And you can't fit in here. Look, that guy. I take half of it. There's a back seat too. See the back seats? This is a nice color too. Another Chevrolet. He added the seat belts.
Oh, you know why? They changed to
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Check this red one. That's a Ford. That's what I'm gonna do. We go down that way. Oh yeah. Bel Air.
On the Minute Park. It was fun. My first baseball game.
Yeah, 1955 Bel Air. This one's a nice color.
I like it.
Yeah. Here's where the wheel went. The spare.
That was exactly a year.
See, here's the Blazer. This is a Blazer. If Chevy made the Blazer look like this, like that old Bronco that was over there, it was big. Yeah. Just a blazer. And then the wheels match. We're almost done.
We saw this one earlier.
It's a nice size. Another Chevy. Look at the name he put on there. Yeah. GMC. No, eventually they do when they want to and stuff. Look, another blazer. See, this is a Bronco also. It's another Blazer. Oh, sorry. I like the color on it.
I like that.
It's got the white and the white on top.
Are they gonna vote or who gonna?
They're gonna vote, yeah.
judge?
They give like people some judges and they walk around and what you call it. I want the Chevy truck here. I like that blue one.
He's got some, I've got some.
Dark blue. Hey tubers, Jose Fantasiville here in Adkins, Texas, next to Cactus Land Brewing Company. Visiting his Father's Day annual car show that they have here. If you guys like this old cars that are here, go and like, share, subscribe. Have a good day. Adios.